Today we'll be replacing a damaged chassis hook. In order to replace this part, no tools are needed. You could use a needle nose to take out the spring, but as you can see, it should look like this. But chassis is missing the front part piece to it. This is typically an easy fix. All you need to do is unscrew the chassis hook bolt, little nut right here. Take it out, remove all the old pieces, and install your replacement. Replacement installed as so. You put your bolt back in. And then the spring. You might need to compress the spring a little to get it to fit. There you go. As so, and then tighten it up. That's how you fix your chassis hook.